It's time to be a little spooky. Also, we get to find out how I made some errors in my printing for this week, but let's get planning. All right, friends, we are planning for the week of October 27th through November 2nd. What? I know. So here's where I made an issue. So when I use the printables from Lights Planner Action, they're typically set up for 4 weeks at a time. Well, most of this week is in October, so I made sure to print another week. But when I went back to print, I miscalculated, accidentally printed this page instead of that journaling page. So what I'm going to do later, this is from a planner that I no longer use. I'm going to cut this guy apart and paste him in and decorate him on my own. Sorry. No time for Broadway. So weekly overview I will take care of on its own, because I will say this week will be we're back to choir. So those things will be important to get done, and then to-do lists and things like that. Let's just go ahead and get to the meat and potatoes of the planner, right? That's what we're really here for. I'm hoping to get 3 books read this month. I'm almost done with, as I'm filming this. I'm filming this one also on the 18th of October. So right after I filmed last week's. I'm so close to being done with 2 books. One's an audio and one's a physical. And I technically have a 4th book, but I just haven't had time to start it. So it would be cool to get 4 books done. But I will say this, I do have fall break coming up. That's why I'm getting ahead on some filming, because there's some extra filming I want to do over fall break. So I want to make sure I have all of the things. All right, I wanted to go a little more cartoony Halloween, but I think I'm gonna mix this guy with what I have left from Live Love Posh. So this is an old Happy Planner. This is Live Love Posh, as I just said. But I thought, this could be a fun way to be super decorative, right? Super spooky. Let's go ahead and move this over. I need something to cover up the to-do and oh goodness, and notes. Need that. I wonder if I've got boxes left in. Oh, I do. Summer elements to the rescue. So I can use the oranges from in here on the label boxes and just be like, bam, Halloween, bam, ready to go. Bam. And I have checklists in here. I should probably go through that book and just cut apart and use my Simply Gilded sticker holder to hold those extra boxes and things that I have. So let's go ahead and write in. This is going to be dinners. This is breakfast and lunch. Super cute. All right. So these are paper and these are clear, so I probably want to think this through a little bit, but I do need to put choir stickers down. So we'll use the red ones. These are from Cyril Art. We're just going to use lots of random stickers today. So we had a pretty big break from after school choir because of parent-teacher conferences and other events. It just made it easier to take a break, but we have but I'm super excited because one of the songs, this is 5th grade. 5th grade. One of the songs we're doing is called What If Every Snowflake Had a Light, and I ordered finger lights, and so now we're working on choreography to go with the finger lights. And I'm very excited. It's very fun. Trick or treat time. Let's go ahead and put one of these boxes. I got some sparkly grayish blackish ones from Sarah. All right, let's put this in the trick or treaters. It's a big to-do in my town right now because the unincorporated parts of our county are extending trick-or-treat hours because it's on a Friday. But the town, the like 3 towns that we're all next to, have decided to keep it the normal hours. And so, you know, Facebook firestorm, how dare you ruin Halloween? Trick-or-treat at the top. I think I like this down here. I think I'm gonna put the other cityscape at the bottom as well. So yes, so we're keeping it our regular hours, which is fine. I don't get a ton of trick-or-treaters by me. I love to see all the little kids' costumes and things like that. And this year I have little onesie pajamas for the dogs. Usually Sharpie dresses up as a taco. But we're gonna put these two together. But he's not gained weight, but his rib cage is different. So like it's just his rib cage is different. So we're so I got them onesie pajamas that are Halloween themed from what's it called? What's it from? From Aldi's, and they're both dogs are confused because they're like, why does it have sleeves for the back paws? I'm used to sleeves for the front paws. So yeah, they're hilarious though. I guess that's where that sticker's going because it's like, I'm going down here. I'm like, okay, sounds good to me. We're just having fun decorating. If you were able to watch my last video, I mentioned that November, the planner lineup is going to change. I'm very excited. I'm not telling you how it's changing though. I'm still not. You have to come back in November. The pumpkins I might leave because I could use them with the fall stuff, but I do want to use like the candy corns. Let's make a fun little one. All right, candy corn, yay or nay? Answer in the comments below. I don't mind it. I know a lot of people, it's not like I have to have it, but if it is offered to me, by all means, I will have some candy corn. Also, do Reese's Cups taste better when they're in their holiday shapes? By the way, I had a Kit Kat this season that they were in the shape of vampires. They were called Count Kit Kats. I'm pretty sure the Kit Kat tasted better too. Let's put the suckers. Because that's just fun. It's just fun. I have done some Halloween themed activities with my students. I do a lot more fall themed than Halloween. We don't do a Halloween party at our school or anything like that. We do have trunk or treat. So that was this past week. And by this past week, I mean the 17th. It was on the 17th. And it looked like it was a really good turnout. I was not there for it, but looked like it was a really good turnout. Let's see. This over here because I usually have errands to run on the weekends. And then do some little bats. I'm not adding, I probably won't have many to-dos this week. It just kind of depends. And since I'm filming this one a little bit early, I'm going to leave more middle white space. So I know I still have, it's nice, I'll still have some for next year of Halloween shenanigans. Do I have any checklists in here? I don't think so. Because like I said, we don't do any Halloween parties or anything like that. So, all right, no, I think that's gonna do it. Nice and quick and simple and not too crazy, only a little crazy. Gotta fix the printing error that I did. But yeah, I hope if you do have kids that you do the trick-or-treat thing with, or you just like to pass out candy, let me know, because that's my favorite part too. I love seeing all the kids come around and passing out candy. Easy there, Garfield. I also like watching Garfield's Halloween. It's probably going to be on the agenda as well. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you next time at my planner desk.